Okay, so I thought I'd point this out because, I don't know, that's the way I do it. Maybe somebody else does it differently. I put grease on the top. Well, not actually grease. This is ARP engine assembly on the top of the valve, which is basically underneath the lash cap. And then you put it on top of the lash cap. That's my little brush here. Put it on top. The push rod's the same thing. So on the other end of the push rod, now I'm doing this end of the push rod. I know my brush is kind of looking a little decrepit there. All right, switching hands. Then, I'll bring it over here. I'm doing the same thing on the rockers. You can see I've greased that, and I greased the little cups. So that basically anywhere there's metal to metal contact, you've got some really high pressure lubricant or assembly lube in there, basically, so that you don't have issues. That's the idea of this. So, all right, so now I'm going to put these on. And unfortunately, I can't set the in-play because this customer supplied the rockers, and I did not like the adjustment nuts. They were kind of marred up. So I'm ordering new nuts tomorrow, and unfortunately, I won't be here until later in the day. But there you go. All right, let me at least get these installed.